Today on Tech Check, a speedy 3D printer, a commanding laptop, and a portable screen that's super smooth. Additive manufacturing company Nexa 3D has launched a new industrial-grade 3D printer called the Zip Pro. The new printer is a bigger and more capable version of the Zip desktop printer which launched last year. The Zip Pro uses Nexa 3D's proprietary photopolymerization process called LSPC, which the company claims is 20 times faster than comparable processes for other resin printers. But it's not just fast. Nexa 3D says that the Zip Pro can produce parts with a superb surface finish and high accuracy. Unlike the desktop Zip's 4.5-liter build volume, the new Zip Pro offers a spacious 19.5-liter build volume, and Nexa 3D says it can deliver 4 times the throughput of other industrial resin 3D printers. The Zip Pro is now available from Nexa 3D for $60,000 plus service and software fees. Lenovo has launched its latest line of laptops and desktops for engineers, including its top-shelf mobile workstation, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, a 16-inch, 6.5-pound powerhouse. The new P16 can be maxed out with Intel Core HX series processors and up to the NVIDIA RTX 5000 Ada generation mobile GPU. It can also be configured with up to 192 gigabytes of memory and 8 terabytes of SSD storage. With an optional 4K OLED touchscreen and optional 4G connectivity, plus a generous array of ports and a hefty 94 watt-hour battery, the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 is a pretty tempting package for any engineers that need max mobile specs. Lenovo says it will be available in May 2023, but has not yet announced pricing. Asus has a new portable display, the ZenScreen MB16 QHG. The 16-inch screen has a 2560 by 1600 resolution and features a 120 Hz refresh rate, or as Asus puts it, it's super smooth. The ZenScreen is designed to be versatile with an L-shaped kickstand that allows users to position it securely at any angle. For Windows users, it will even automatically switch between portrait or landscape mode. It can also be mounted to a stand. Weighing 1.2 kilograms and with edges just 7 millimeters thick, the ZenScreen is made for those who need a low-profile and easy-to-transport second screen. It has 2 USB-C ports, one on each side, plus an HDMI port and a headphone jack. Pricing and availability details of the ZenScreen are yet to come. Check out more tech on engineering.com.